I'm gonna do a quick review on this and assembly because the instructions are shit. So I wasn't usually gonna do a video on this thing, but after the instructions were crap, I'm gonna show you guys what I came up with. So I guess these two are extra parts just in case those two break that are over there. And then these two right here without the nut on them are supposed to go over here, if you could see that Allen wrench. So that's supposed to go there if you're gonna disassemble it. I'm gonna make mine permanent, so I went ahead and just mounted that. I'm gonna put a nut on the other side. Long Allen wrench right here with a nut on the back side for both of those. I'm showing you guys assembly because it drove me crazy. This sucker goes right here, 2 screws in there facing this way. And then you got your laser there. I don't know if that was disassembled. I bought this used off Facebook Market for like 30 bucks. And then you put water in here, I assume, and then you pump this to squirt the water on as you slide the wheel that goes across over here to score. I haven't even used this thing yet, but it'd be cool to use it. I usually use a wet saw. It comes with an extra blade right here, and you can put that on with your, I don't know what's on the other side, an Allen wrench. I think it comes with everything. No, that's just a regular nut, so you'll need like a vice grip. Or no, it gives you a wrench actually. It comes with that sucker. And then over here I got the wheels on the back side so you guys can know where those go. You screw this in with nothing on the back side, and you just leave it a little loose so it can roll. And that's about it. That thing goes like that. I think that came all together. And pretty cool. So I guess it's gonna work out good. This one you tighten these two right here, and then I'll show you the back. Oh, this is for the angles, if you're gonna cut angles, I think. So I'm not gonna leave that on there. And then I'm gonna flip it over on the back side here, and then make sure to use the piece with the little groove in it. Hopefully, let me try to pull one out here. So this one has a, let me get that. This one has a little groove right here, that little slit right there, and that goes along this track on the back side. So you face it this way. Assemble your piece just like this. And then it has a little bevel in there to set in there. I hope you guys can see that bevel right there. So that's how that goes, right up against that. And then you lock it on as you turn it. You know, these are compression. I'm sure most of you guys know that. And then that's about it. So this thing's gonna be pretty cool to use. It looks a little heavy, but that's okay. So if I missed anything, go ahead and leave it in the comments or whatever, let people know. All right, hit that like button. You ain't gotta subscribe.